right, hey, I'm Delee Hermes.
And I'm Lindsay Thorne.
And we are Digital Native Workshops. Digital Native Workshops is an immersive experience with photography and getting out into the wilderness. We want to teach you how to document your adventures to the best of your ability and also teach you how to get in the backcountry and do it safely.
We really want to help people feel safe out here so that they can document it and therefore help preserve it. We're also going to be teaching you a lot of photography skills, so astrophotography, which includes shooting the Milky Way, doing star trails, what lens to use for the right portrait, incorporating the landscape, incorporating natural light and artificial light. It is a course for beginners and some experienced shooters. It's really just going to be a phenomenal time.
But let's cut to the chase. Really, this is just all about fun. I love road trips more than anything, and
Hashtag Dirt Road Darlings.
That's right. I love nothing more than driving on a dirt road, and we just want to take you out here and give you something that you can take home and utilize for the rest of your adventures.
We're going to be open books to you. We want to give you all of our knowledge in one of the most beautiful places that we've ever been to. So come and join us. It's going to be fantastic. It's going to be a great learning experience. We are going to
be amazing.
A blast out here.